Alright, so excited. It is Embarkation Day. About to hop on a cruise. Super excited. So we're getting close. A long way. There's the ship though. Finally gonna rain on the boat now. Super close. You can't vlog while I'm vlogging.
Hey. Y'all, he can't stand it up.
It's raining though. A little tight, it's raining, but about to go to the room. I think we're gonna get some food first. Yes, food is always first. And then we go to the room. So excited. Hopefully it start raining. This is not the vibe. Boat game. Almost. We're gonna have to get wet.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
I know they can have some over there. They have to keep us being
Excuse me. Gang, we back in the building. One of our most favorite places, always and forever, the cruise ship, Carnival Cruise. Next year, I think we would want to try out either Royal Caribbean or Symphonies of the Sea. But anyways, man, Carnival Cruise, super lit. We are on the ship called the Valor, and we lit. We got an ocean view room, as always, like we always get. And honestly, I'm really hungry, so I think we're gonna go for the first little buffet run and see what that look like. And then when we get back, then we'll do like the tour and stuff. But yo, it is litty in the city. One thing I don't like though is normally we get the side where the bathroom. So on that side, yeah, it's basically flipped. And this side, it's like it's a little weird. It's like the one Nana had last time.
Yeah, I forgot Nina was anymore like that.
But anyways, guys, food time. Let's go get the food. Wait, hold on.
You about to make me cry, babe.
Hold on, babe. I wish you could come back and do it
That's
again.
about to make me cry.
Yo, shout out to one of our subscribers, David and Aaron. They literally sent. Is it for you or me? I think it's for both of us.
Yeah, it's for both of us. Mr. William Nevius.
I'm gonna show you. Yo.
That
David and Aaron.
I'm about to cry for real. We
like, what is this for? Like, who sent this? And it's like David. We like, David? Who is David? But it's our friends David and Aaron. Yo, check out their channel. They are cruise goers. But yo, look at this cake. I'm talking too much.
That was so nice.
That was really, 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 really nice though, guys. Like seriously.
I don't even eat sweets, but I'm gonna eat it this time, David and Aaron.
Man.
That was so nice.
Yo, I can't believe that. How did they figure that out?
I'm in here about to cry.
New Orleans, we out here. Mississippi River, y'all. It's right there. There go the end now. Yeah. Peace. We out.
I haven't tasted it yet. I'm gonna taste it. Have you been on a cruise? You know you have to do all that mustard station and all that stuff. You work it on float, so I haven't had
Right now, we are on day, I guess it's actually the first day, Carnival Cruise, Valor. This is the fun day at sea. Right now, we just finished eating breakfast. I had French toast, scrambled eggs. It was delish, right off the buffet. Toya got like omelet from the little omelet maker guy. I ain't taste it, but it looked good. Anyways, man, fun day at sea. A lot of festivities going on. I think I'm about to throw on some swim trunks, and we're just pretty much hanging out. Gonna try to catch a few shows. And tonight is the captain's formal night, so we're gonna get real snazzy a little later. You know what I mean? You know, I get a little fresh, so you know, gonna do that. And yeah, man, fun day at sea. Carnival Valor Day 2. We out here. We looking out the window, see nothing but waves, sea, clouds, and the sun in the distance. About to go work on my tan. You know what I mean? Gotta get my tan right. And yeah, 4 days left to go. I am like super excited. 2019 Carnival Valor.
What was our first year?
Nevius gang, we in there. Huh?
What was our first year cruising? 2016?
20. Yep. No, 2015.
No, 15 was when we got married.
Oh, yeah. 2016 was our first year on a cruise. We've been on a total of 4 cruises. Carnival Elation, Carnival Victory, Carnival Conquest, and now Carnival Valor.
Valor. I like
Carnival
that.
Valor.
I like that better. Valor.
That's like you talking about Tarjay. That's the way it sounds like.
It sounds bougie.
Well, we lit, though. We lit, y'all. We lit. All to myself.
When you let those words fly out, you really reach for that. But I bit down, held my tongue. You really went deep for that.
Shout out to the homies.
I tried to tell you, but it doesn't get colder than that. It doesn't get colder than that. How's it feel down there? You dug yourself a hole so deep, now it's empty. Oh, step back, halfway.
Go ahead, hater, as y'all see. Some things. Hater. Alright, guys, we at the captain's formal night, and we lit. I see I'm a little snazzy, you know what I mean?
I'm more snazzy.
No. I'm gonna show y'all the menu though, so y'all can see what we got special tonight. Girl, this is what you got. Huh?
Okay, leave it.
I got
I'm
salad.
probably when I get at the restaurant.
Little rice right
Yeah, we'll talk.
Oh, they tripping.
Me and Will slept for like 3-4 hours a day. Ooh, God.
I think you was good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right, you gotta open it up. I think they forgot about the rest of our food.
Bacon,
That sour cream
cheese.
look like ranch.
You want bacon and cheese, babe?
I want it all. I want some chives too.
This sour cream is mixed with the chives. So
It's mixed with it.
I told you once, baby. I told you once what I know. You got to let it go. I told you once, baby. I told you once what I know. You got to let it go.
See some comedy. It's the comedy night.
Told you
Straight up.
all I know.
3 hours.
You got to let it go. You got to let
Comedy
it
night.
go.
We in there. We in there. Comedy night.
Do you read music?
Read nothing.
No? Well, that's all right. None of the new artists do.
Peace out.